Today, we're going to walk through connecting your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to your PC wirelessly. The Stealth 500 is a great, affordable wireless option that offers both convenience and comfort for gaming. First, locate the USB wireless transmitter that came with your headset. This small device is essential for the wireless connection. Next, plug this transmitter into an available USB port on your PC. Any USB port will work perfectly fine. Now, power on your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. Look for the power button, usually located on one of the ear cups. The headset and transmitter should automatically pair. You'll know they're connected when you see a solid green LED light up on the USB transmitter. If it doesn't connect automatically, ensure the headset is in 2.4 GHz wireless mode, not Bluetooth mode. Once connected, your PC should recognize the headset as an audio device. Key takeaway: wireless setup is quick and easy with the USB transmitter, giving you a reliable connection for gaming. You can then adjust your audio settings in Windows to use the Stealth 500 for both playback and recording. Now that your headset is connected, let's unlock its full potential with advanced features and customization options. First up is the Swarm 2 software. This is your gateway to getting the most out of your Stealth 500. The Stealth 500 also supports Bluetooth connectivity, giving you even more flexibility. To connect via Bluetooth, first power on your headset and put it into pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth multifunction button until you hear the pairing Bluetooth voice prompt. A solid blue LED on the transmitter indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. The quick switch button is incredibly handy. It allows you to toggle between 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth modes instantly. This means you can quickly switch between gaming on your PC and taking a call on your phone. Don't forget to explore the advanced features that give you a competitive edge. Superhuman hearing amplifies specific in-game sounds like footsteps, helping you detect enemies before they detect you. The mic monitoring feature lets you hear your own voice in the headset, ensuring clear communication. Here are your key takeaways. Swarm 2 software and Bluetooth connectivity add extra layers of customization and convenience to your Stealth 500 experience. Download Swarm 2 for the best performance, use Quick Switch to seamlessly move between devices, and explore features like superhuman hearing to gain that competitive advantage.